Welcome to my self-care journey. Today, we're making a green smoothie for you and me. We're loving on ourselves, oh yeah. One step at a time, one day at a time. We're taking our life back from the trenches of life. And we're starting with a green smoothie. Let's get started. Here are my delicious ingredients for today's green smoothie. I have lots of organic lacinato kale, which is also known as dinosaur kale. Look how rich and green the leaves are. I have an orange, a lemon, and if you see that glossiness at the very bottom, I have, let me just show you, fresh aloe vera gel. I also have ginger, frozen mango and pineapples combined, and of course my sea moss and bladderwrack gel, also known as nature's collagen, full of nutrients. If you're not familiar with the powerful combination of bladderwrack and sea moss, I highly recommend Googling the health benefits. That is my nature's multivitamin as well. Spirulina and liquid chlorophyll just for an added boost. I love the unflavored liquid chlorophyll. The only other item that I'm missing is wheatgrass. I love to add wheatgrass to my daily green smoothie. But this is beyond a powerful green smoothie that we're about to prepare. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. If you decide to make the green smoothie, let me know and comment below how you like the recipe. It's definitely anti-aging, gives you great energy, If you work out a lot, the sea moss and bladderwrack completely annihilates after workout soreness. Like, it's just a powerhouse. And then we have the green tea, which is great for our skin, and the aloe vera, just aiding us in absorbing more nutrients. It's just loaded with so many powerhouses of nutrients. So let me know if you enjoyed today's video. I'm excited to be back on YouTube. If you want to see more videos like this or any content suggestions, please comment below. I'm totally open to everything. And thank you for watching today's video. Keep it healthy, take care of yourself, and love yourself. Bye. Oh, let me try it. Bye. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do 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 do. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Green smoothies for life.